Bad news first. Oregon's COVID case count climbed, mostly due to get-togethers.
The information that we have is that it is the informal social gatherings.
With the cold, wet weather soon to be here, we'll be indoors more, where the coronavirus thrives.
What I really want people to do as they move indoors is not do it in large groups in unventilated spaces without masks.
Now for some better news. Oregon will get up to 80,000 Abbott Labs rapid antigen coronavirus tests a week through the end of the year from the federal government.
The Binax Now antigen test can diagnose COVID-19 in just 15 minutes.
Tests already started going out to Oregonians impacted by wildfire evacuations. Then they'll be sent around the state, with priority given to people in congregate living settings, communities of color, campus health centers, and those who work with K-12 students. With the increase in tests, the state is expanding guidelines. Now, anyone who's had contact with someone with COVID, regardless of their symptoms, can get tested.
By expanding our testing capacity and the number of people who should be tested, we'll cast a wider net, identify more cases, and cut off more paths the virus can use to spread.
More testing means the state will ramp up contact tracing, aimed at slowing the spread.
Testing must be supported by robust case investigation and contact tracing, isolation, and quarantine,
as well as mask wearing, physical distancing, and hand washing. State leaders are adamant testing alone is not the answer.
We cannot test our way out of this pandemic.
Over the next couple weeks, Governor Brown plans to reevaluate some statewide metrics for reopening schools.
In order to reopen schools safely and sustainably, we must reduce the amount of COVID in our communities.
Metro area Portland looks very different than, frankly, Bend, and that looks very different than Ontario.
Morgan Romero, KGW News.